So let's do this right. Now we give y'all radio talk.
I didn't know you could dance.
You didn't ask?
Well, you never speak at work. How am I supposed to know? Bet you can sing too.
E me ana koe.
Humble too.
Some of us are naturals around here, kare.
Me ana koe.
Morena korua.
Morena.
I was just talking with Mana and Kelly upstairs, and I think they're going to be wanting to talk to you, Kari.
All right. Oh, I better make my way up.
Kia ora.
Kia kite.
What's the matter with Hey.
Whoa, what's going on here?
I don't know what's going on with you, but me and Mana were just practicing moves for the Weekeneru concert.
Choreography, is that what you're calling it now?
Well, hang on, what about you, Carrie P? Have you even been rehearsing?
E me ana koe. Makaurangi and I actually have been rehearsing.
Makaurangi and you. But Makaurangi, you don't even talk.
Yes, I do.
And if anyone should be doing choreography, it should be Makaurangi. So what you two were doing was terrible.
Makaurangi, ka kōrero koe.
It's not what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to say we can dance.
Wow. Well, okay then. Let's not waste time. Show us what you've got.
Whakatua.
Engari te kore